Hi, welcome. Today, I will show you how to insert your own parameterized Vise into the Run MyVirtual Machine 1.4.1 environment. First, you need to prepare the Vise. I downloaded it from grubcad.com. I would like to thank the author for allowing me to use their work. In the next step, you need to simplify and modify the Vise in any CAD program. The presented Vise turned out to be quite complex, but nevertheless, I kept this model and only removed some elements. I divided the model into 3 parts for export, marking the Vise body in gray, the fixed jaw in blue, and the movable jaw in green. In reality, the fixed jaw could be an integral part of the body. I positioned the model so that the Vise jaws touch each other. This is because, in the next step, it will be easier to implement your own semi-finished product in the Run MyVirtual Machine environment. Then I exported each part as a separate solid, in step format. The model was set up so that the Vise's 0 point is located where it is actually mounted on the machine. Note that the distance from the 0 point to the fixed jaw of the Vise is 54.5 mm in the y-axis, and 107 mm to the bottom of the jaws in the z-axis. The dimension 100 is the minimal distance of the semi-finished products from 0. Now, let's move to the Run MyVirtual Machine environment. I will hide what is unnecessary in the interface and then try to place the Vise there. We go to the library, then select the clamping option. We select Add Element from Library, then select the clamping option, and in the next step, import the solid from STL or step. First, I import the body of my Vise. It may take a while. You need to select the Add Selected Item as Clamping button, and give it a specific name. Then confirm with the Import button. As you can see, the arrangement is accepted in the same way as in the CAD program. To customize the distance of the fixed and movable Vise jaws, each must be a separate solid. Similarly, we add our fixed jaw as clamping and give it a specific name. During export, I mixed up the names, but at this stage, you can make modifications. As you can see, the jaws are placed in the same coordinate system as in the CAD model. Similarly, we add the movable jaw. To combine these 3 parts into one Vise, you need to add a new setup. Since the elements are already in the library, we can insert them directly from there. The positioning of the Vise can be done by changing its mounting point. Remember that you will also need to move the other elements, so I will restore the 0 setting. Then I add the fixed jaw and the movable jaw. If we want to insert semi-finished products with specific dimensions, we need to spread the movable jaw along the y-axis. The other parts of the Vise form the stationary part. As you can see, some elements overlap because they are connected to the stationary body. However, this should not pose any problem for the simulation itself. You can mount the semi-finished products at a specific point on the jaws. To do this, you need to modify the mounting station of our Vise body. You can give it any name and then position it according to the dimensions in the drawing of our Vise. To create semi-finished products, select primitive shape and give it the desired dimensions. Then change the point to the one just set. Remember to modify the values to mount them on the simulator of the actual machine tool. Go to the Machines tab, and then add a new setup through the Setup Manager. To exit the Setup tab, press the Machine button again. Remember that to modify the existing setup, you need to remove it from the machine. After removing the setup, you can modify the existing one. You can change the jaw spacing, and modify the semi-finished products. I hope the material is useful. Leave a comment, click the thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel to motivate me to make more videos. Best regards, Virtual CNC Lab.